Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select different sources for NotebookLM. Now, because you can have a lot of different sources, you may have sources that discuss different aspects of the topic. And you might not necessarily want every single source to be considered when either engaging with the chatbot or creating these artifacts over here that'll be in a separate series of videos. So, if you've got sources that are specifically good for different aspects of the topic and others are not, you can actually deselect all of the sources and then select the individual ones that you want to include. So, let's say that these three all discuss a very similar topic, and the other ones, maybe they discuss it a little, but these are the best ones for that. You can actually just tell NotebookLM to use only those three sources for creating an audio overview, video overview, mind map, different reports, flashcards, quizzes, and even with the chatbot. Now, I will tell you this. If you change the source material and you've already engaged in chat, you will need to refresh the chatbot because at the moment, the chatbot is using all of the sources. And until you refresh it, it's going to continue to do that. So even though you've deselected them, if you want to remove the influence of these other ones from the chatbot, you will need to refresh. So if I do this, I can refresh, and then it just gives me the summary again, but notice the chat history is now gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.